I don't have a mic, I don't have lights, I don't even have a camera.
It doesn't matter.
I'm gonna sound so dumb.
Descript will take care of it for you.
I'm not gonna do it.
You're the only person who can make reinsurance interesting.
But on video, I look like a freak.
Just hit record and Descript will do the rest.
All right, I'll do it. Here we go. In today's world, what doesn't affect your understanding the impact can be difficult. The reinsurance world is built on understanding, predicting, and managing risk on a global level. It's the most powerful predictive system on Earth. Sweet.